Sige, ako na. Elsen. Oh, forever na lang ba dyan? Ibang post naman na, Lona. Ikaw bahala. Yvonne. Nag-iba na yung partner mo. Any move. Any move. Sige, it's okay to dance. It's okay to do. It's okay to dance as long as you're moving. Case, ito lang ba? Ito lang gagawin nila. Ito lang gagawin nila. Okay.
Instead yung last time.
3 more minutes for Team B. 3 more minutes. Team A, mag-isip na kayo gagawin nyo. Eh di mag-strong ka. Two more minutes, Team B. Go strong. Diyos ko, excited ako for Erin. Papagawa kayo ni Erin, no? Sige, 12:20 switch. Last 2 minutes. Oo. Hindi. Hindi. Loading. Di ba ayaw mo si Pam? Di ba ayaw mo si Pam? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, switch. Team A lead. Team B follows. Team A. Yvonne, Erin, Pam, do your movement. Alona, Coach, and Ma'am Marian follow Team A. 2 minutes. Sige, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, come on. Mabilis lang yan. O competitive. One more minute. Ang kitundong na lang to. Competitive niya kasi. Ay, taray oh. Oh my goodness. Competitive. For 10, 9. Ito, natawa na na itong dalawang to eh. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay.